This clip is from one of my viewers, and it shows perfectly why you should stop behind the stop line at sets of lights. It's this vehicle in front that we should be looking at. Yeah, they're over. And it's a nice job by my viewer who kept this space. Who could come round the corner? Just remember that going over this stop line never gets you to your destination quicker, and the only thing it's probably going to do is cause hold up. Whether that's for bigger vehicles like we've seen in this clip, or pedestrians maybe crossing the road.